Hi guys! For today's video, it's different because I'm gonna show you the Philippine wheat market here in the province in Valle Hermoso. So what you got there, Daddy? Oh, you got that malunggay bread.
Yeah.
And it's really fresh, guys. Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh. So let's go, guys. Let's go, Virgil. You need to help Mama. Love you. So I am the one who do the video because my husband, he just wait there the van. So let's go, guys. So this is the Valle Hermoso market. So they've been building that 7-Eleven there. That building is not yet done. So they have a new building here for the market. All the vendors will gonna transfer on that area there when it's done. And right now they're still constructing on it. It's not done yet, guys. What? Hi, Virgil. Hey. Good.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. So let's go, guys. First is we need to buy the meat. Gonna buy the pork. Wala lagi mo karne ya. So look at that. It's a pata. Kuan usag to nga ang bukog. Ay usa lang kilo di kay napaday ko dito. Oh, dayon humbaonon usa kilo pod. So this is I normally bought the meat. So this area here. So I let the guy cut the pork so that no need to cut there in the house because our knife is hospital. Wala mo yung manok usapod ka kilo. So this is I normally buy the pork and the chicken, guys. There's another vendor there that has been selling some meat also, some pork and chickens. There's more meat on there. And over on the other side they've been selling some fish. So while waiting for the pork to cut, guys, I'm gonna walk over there where the vegetables is. Balikon na mo kay palit sa ko gulay
Usa nga naibuko.
baonon og manok usa-usa ra ipakat lang ko palihog. So while waiting for that he finish cut, I'm gonna go down to the other side to get the vegetables. It's a beautiful morning. As you can see, the sky is so clear. So we're just done attending the 5 a.m. mass. It's a Sunday morning here in the Philippines. So it be a nice building, guys, when it's done because it's more comfy, right, Virgil? More comfortable and more arranged. So right now the vendors is temporarily displaying their vegetables to the side here. And I need to be careful because it's downhill here. Oh, the water. Look, water is leaking. Look at the water here, guys. They need to be fixed. Ang buntag. Palit ako mantika dam sa kilo. So I'm gonna buy the oil here, cooking oil.
Sa kilo daw.
Palihog be ko kwarta be kan 1,500 lang be. Tagpilang kilo sa munggos? Ang kusa kilo? Usal tunga lang. I buy some munggo beans. I love this one. Ihatag mo na, ihatag mo na. I-sarado ha, i-close. So I let Virgil pay. I'm holding the camera. Oh, they have this candy here, coconut candy. Coconut candy, guys. It's a sari-sari store in here. They've been selling a lots of foods. And they have some cupcakes for kids and some goodies here for the kids. Junk foods. Oh, this is a coffee, guys. Native coffee. They need to ground it. Kape mo di siya, Nay, no? Yeah, coffee. A native coffee. Need to grind it. Look. Fresh native coffee. And the white beans. Look at the white beans. Sugar. They pack the sugar by 1/2, 1/4, 1 kilo. Let's put it there in the wallet. Let's go get the dried fish. Lamat. Lamat. Let's go get the dried fish, guys. Yeah. Walang ga. Be careful, ha, don't drop it. More dried fish here. Lamig. Ang buntag. Pila ni siya?
200
Oh, dried fish, lots of dried fish. Tunga lang palihog. I'm gonna buy this kind of dried fish here. Virgil here. There's more there. Lots of dried fish, guys. Filipino loves dried fish. Most of our neighbor there, they always come here in the market every Sunday, and they normally buy a lots of dried fish for the whole week. Especially the one it's working in the sugar cane. 100 pesos. Butang diri be. More vegetables here on this side here. There's more on there. So let's go to the store that I normally bought my vegetables. Oh, salty fish. Pila ning kuan? Hinamos nay. Kuan lang, 1/4. Salty fish, guys. Oh, they put it in the container and
140, mami.
no, this is good for the banana. Dili 140, 70. Kuan rabi ko ay kuan. Pila ganing 1/4 nice to it. 35 Jill. Just get 50 pesos. Nangumpra ka. Ay naninda ka diha. So I'm gonna get this salty fish here. This is good for banana. Wala mo pare-pareharan na sila Antonay.
Kataro na siya daw. 1/4.
Oo, 1/4 lang.
Ito lang guwapa yan. Nag-iwap yung mami.
There's more on there. More vegetables at the backside. So this is the market here in the Valle Hermoso. They have this likin, guys, tobacco. When you smoke, they use Filipino loves this one to smoke because this is much cheaper to the commercial cigarettes. Orang isuhanay. Kami naman. Ram.
So hard to get the wallet, mami.
So this is the way for living here in the Philippines. They sell some stuff that like dried fish, vegetables, and some meat. Camera is a little bit blurred. More vegetables on that side. What you got under, Virgil? Virgil is trying to help me to carry the stuff. Let's go. Kaagi ta diri be. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Lots of vegetables, main fruits, guys. They have some grapes. Oh, Virgil, oh, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. You want apple or grapes? Pila, oh. You want this one? The green one? Pila ang kanin grapes? 1/4 lang, yeah. 1/4 pod aning ko. I'm gonna buy some grapes because Virgil loves grapes. And dragon fruit, guys. My husband loves this dragon fruit too. And they have these oranges and apples and some red apples. Look at the watermelon. Looks good. Bilang dragon fruit.
160 down.
Apple. Bali, ang duhal lang kabuk ako ate. You want this apple? You want that? Last time you bought this one. You don't like the taste. Virgil don't like this kind of apple here.
This one.
His favorite is this one, guys. Pila ning dagko te? Apple.
25.
Duha lang be or tulo?
Sana?
Duha lang. Duha lang. Duha lang ani. They have lemon, oh, lemon. They have some lemon here too. It's my
Bueno, pag lemon kaya limo ko.
pilang lemon
25.
ang usa. So they sell the lemon for 25 pesos each. An lang. Tulo lang ay upat. Upat lang kabuok palihog te. Unsa ni siya te?
Kuan mas million.
Marshmallow? Marshmallow. This one is pear na dyan, no?
Pear.
Yeah, pear. Then mango, look at the mango. Very fresh too. So they have some sari-sari store on that side too. They have a lot of watermelon, guys. No? Have more fruits on the other side. Vegetables.
Ano din?
Upat. Bonita is I hold this baby because mommy gonna get some
It's so hard, mama.
money. So guys, if you are buying some pila tanan stuff in the
70 down.
if you're buying some stuff in the market, it's much cheaper compared to the mall. Narang ko 70 ti ah. So you can buy much cheaper to the market compared to the mall. To 70. Dara ah, pila to 70.
Salamat dan.
Okay, let's go.
Kape. Kape.
Nganan eh.
Here.
Thank you.
Salamat dan.
So let's go to the other side, guys. Can you carry that? Oh, they sell some ice cream here. Early for the ice cream. Nada, sayo lagi mo nanguan. Ha? My friend over there. Oh, they have a lot of socks and they're selling some socks. Yeah. Sayuhan ko ano, nangumpra. Ako ni Simba mo. You have a lot of hair ties also here. Video.
Tinatatasan ni Virgin.
Taas pa virgin ni mo? Tupong namang titamakan mo be. Ni Bliss ka be? Si Kuan oh. Si Tito ba? Tito Bliss itong Tito. Si Carlo taas pa ni mo. Oh, gani taas kay itong mga bagtos. May nabawi na to. Nabawi sa tong hang. Ari sa ko dahil. Oh, they have avocado on there. Avocado, fresh avocado. Ano pa? Oh, rambutan, Jill, oh. Pilang kilo, ane? Rambutan, guys, is a kind of fruit here in the Philippines. Rambutan. Pila? Pwede, dag kuan, si tinta, 2 kilo. Usa lang, Jill. Ha?
Wala kong paborito.
Virgil's favorite, rambutan fruit. Wala man na dito si Kuan. Pilang patatas ni mo day? Oh, they have pepper guys, the green pepper, cabbage, carrots, and cucumber. Kuan na pilang kilo ane? 140. Di mo dagwan kuan 20. Kana lang sa guniti sa good bay palihog bay. Sorry. Sorry, kilo yung mga bear, duha. Wow. Nato na itong nanay, duha na pwede na lang da isa na. So I buy 2 kilo of rambutan.
Tungagan lang ako gis ng bis.
Balik ang taris ko ang bay. Palit Arabigas. So let's go to the other side. So this is, I normally bought my vegetables. Hala, buntag. Wala may carrots. May carrots ka ng patatas. Bilang kilo? 140 man sa pita. Ha? Usag tunga lang. Please to. Alog bati te. Initi sabi. Some onions, some kuan, sa pailain. Kanilang te cabbage guys, oh, cabbage.
Dam ni mahal yung garbage.
Ha? Pilang kilo na ni? Wala si kuya.
Naa. Pabili patot ka dam.
Oh. Pilang kilo ni te?
Nandito na dam.
100 per kilo for the cabbage.
Sila carrots yung madam usa.
Ayaw lang sa kung karon. Napatay ko carrots pag last day. Ito napalit ba? Wala nagamit ka na mo. Kaya usahay. Good kay. Di kami magluto. Baka namulakaw gani. Sa pamilain. Kanite ka ng tunga sa Bombay. 1/4 lang ahos.
Sige.
Kanina. Usa lang ako ati oy. Usa lang kabuok ba kay. Kanang nindot ba?
Sakit ka mo.
Kari lang usa ba? Ay kana lang. So I'm gonna buy some cabbage.
Madam 60.
Oo. Na yun, tunga lang o yan, 1/4 anite. Usag tunga aning kakuan. Isimba man, agpakuyog na ako. Wala, nakalimot ko pork chop. Palita ko 1/4 anite. Dong, nalay ka diri dong.
Joki siya. Dari mong kalagbati, 20 ra mong bate.
Oh. Kuan.
Okra.
Dahonan. Dahonan pa ako balik 20. Oh, they have this ampalaya guys, vegetables, better vegetables. Virgins. Carrying a lot of stuff. No? Oh, we have carrots in here. Carrots and okra, lady finger. Ako na lang dala natin, gamay raman. Ako lang dala natin, kay gamay raman.
Sige. Ito na po, madam.
Pila tanan.
Naani, madam, no?
Oh, kanila mga nindoti ha, kay dug. I'm gonna buy some red onions. Red onions. Lots of vendors here. Pila tanan ako at Flora. So, our neighbor here. She's been selling some vegetables. This is our neighbor here. 45 ra. Atis guys, atis kind of fruit.
Pinyan, apa pinyan?
Dagat pinyas lula. Rati ah.
Kamatis na eh.
Thank you. Okay na ito. Okay ra. Tabang ba? Pilate. So I'm gonna get some more vegetables in this area here. Pilang cucumber dai? Usa lang kilo, palihog. So I'm gonna buy this cucumber guys, 60 per kilo. They have squash in there. And string beans, Namoy sayote. Kuwag usa ka sayote, bibutang sa. I'm gonna get this one. Sayote vegetables. This is good for the chicken soup and pork soup. I'm gonna get this. Hindi mo kapalit balik 20 ani day. Okay, ako ra mang ikuan god. Wala mo ibison.
Okay ra anak na.
Oh. Then 20 pud aning espada palihog day.
Pilang pa ito tayo?
140. 20 po na ni.
Pila ka rin? 1/4?
So these vendors here, some of them they came from Canlaon. Kana lang. O kani luya lang, 20 lang po aning luya day. Ginger guys, ginger.
20, 110, 20, 130 daw.
130. I-hold sa bibi. Saan mo gikaon din? Rambutan. Pwede rin itipon guro dahil. Palagi lang ko ikuan dahil be. Mausara na dahon kami. Mausara. Wala may bisol di ah. Bibi, amin ang gamay be. So I'm glad that Virgil is going with me because it's really hard. I carry that one, you carry the blue one. Because it's really hard for me to carry all the stuff. Ti wala kay bisol te? Asa man? Pilang kilo? Kalimot day ko bisol. This is good for the pork. Like taro. Usa lang kilo te. Kanilang pili alang paliw gagmay. Ay gagmay amin dagko ba? Kani ba min ani?
Ani madam po.
Ataro.
Lapuha.
Excuse me, excuse. Excuse me. Walay kwarta da aday. Hold sa bibi. Hold sa bibi. Hold sa hold. Ana, karong
Paano na ka madam ha?
Ayaw rati ako. Sira pila gani na?
Manan.
Ay pila ni kita. Iting.
Thank you. Pila mo turo ko daan. Pila? Ano plastic? Kapoy naman si Bumbay, turo ko na magkita ako na to.
Sipa dia.
Yes, ako sa. Lots of.
Yung mga ahos.
Ano, let's go na, let's go. Be careful ha, wala kayo nalimitan ha. Lamat ha. Dong, mahaw. Market is fully loaded. Fully loaded. I'm gonna go this way because we're gonna pick the meat, the one we bought. Ang buntag. Oh, agirame. So I'm gonna buy some pork chop, guys, that the other side because I forgot. So I'm gonna we're gonna have some grilled pork chop later. So the guy that been helping me carry the vegetables is not there at the store where I bought the vegetables. So I'm so happy that Virgil go with me so that someone can help me to carry all the stuff. Look at, guys. So it's about like $50 for all the vegetables and the meat. $50. And we got a lot today.
It's not $50, mate. It's like 70.
So I'm gonna get some. Uy, latabi. Para madali ta ba si Mami bugat man ang karne. I-close na, i-close. So I'm gonna pick up the meat, the pork and the chicken. Wala mo'y pork chop. Wala mo'y pork chop ya. Pork chop. Kuan. 3 kilo tinta. Kalimut day ko. Mana to ang kuan. So chicken. Crisp chicken. And that's some meat, guys. Nipis-nipisa lang kalihog ya kaya suba. So we already put the vegetables there in the van and we're getting the meat now. We're still chopping the pork chop right now manually by hands. So I let him cut the pork because our knife there, we don't have a good knife. Not sharp.
Nay atay ka baligya. Ha? Pila kilo? 130. 130? 230? Duha dong. 460.
Are you sleepy? Sleepy. What time na, Jay? Oh, it's already 7:50 na.
Road next time, huh?
So guys,
So they can't get in front of
the vegetables and the meat. I'm gonna try to get some fish to the other side that I normally stop, baby. How much? Like 3,000 pesos, baby, in dollars. $50.
Give me a minute to think. Probably a little, almost $60.
$60. So I spend $60 for all the meat and the vegetables and for all the fruits that we bought. Yeah, but lots of fruits I bought, baby.
Good.
Have some lemon and some dragon fruit, rambutan.
Tomato?
Oh no, they don't have a nice tomato on there now.
Our school is empty. I wonder why.
I don't know. I don't want to. What they do?
I do. I'll get some fish if they have some fresh fish.
Was it dead?
Yeah. I bought some 3 kilo pork chop. 240 per kilo for the pork chop. Not bad. Because they normally before it's like 280 pesos per kilo, but they dropped down because of the
That's 6.5 pounds.
6.5 pounds per
Yeah.
kilo for the pork chop.
Those that use pounds.
Road is so busy this morning. So let's check the fish here. You almost forgot.
I didn't know.
I told you.
Thought you already had fish.
So this is I normally bought the fish, guys. Nasaan eh? Pilang kilo nito eh?
Pinidam to 80, karito 40 lang.
Di madagkuan to 60 2 kilo. To fresh fish, guys. Diri ra ni.
Yun, pa pa abot ani oh.
They just delivered this morning and it's fresh. They just got the fish this morning, very fresh. As you can see, the ice is very clear. They have these seashells on there. Kailangan ning kanito yan. Look at this. Look at this kind of fish, guys. They have a big eyes. This is the milky fish. They have this seaweed. So this is I normally bought the fish every Sunday because most of her fish is very fresh. Wala lang sa ate.
Karito 40 lang.
Ayaw lang. Pila?
520 lang.
Okay. Salamat. So I got lucky that I got this fresh fish this morning because normally if I buy the fish on the other side of the market, mostly they're not fresh. But when we bought the fish, guys, it's like 2 kilo every time when we bought because we stock in the deep freeze and it's good for like 3 days or 4 days. So we need to get fresh fish because we not cook right away when we bought it. We need to stock it in the deep freeze, right, Daddy?
Yep.
So we need to buy the fresh one.
The fresher the better.
Yeah, the fresher the better. So let's go home, guys, because I think my husband is getting hungry now. He's eating breakfast late this morning because every Sunday we always eat breakfast late because when I attend mass and also going to the market also, and it's good because I can choose the fresh vegetables, because sometimes my friend Bashan is the one who go to the market, and sometimes it's not really fresh now, especially when she go there late,
Yeah.
and most of the fresh vegetables is already sold. So that's why after the church I go directly to the market, because that way the vegetables is still fresh. Lots of them are fresh harvest. So guys, I think that's all for today's video. I just want to share, we just want to share the market here in the Philippines, especially here in the province. So thank you so much for the love and support, and for subscribing my husband's YouTube channel. And stay, what?
Don't forget to smile when you're out
Yeah.
and about, and live long and prosper.
Live long and prosperous. So thank you so much.